All right, I just got my acrylic mirror sheets for my home gym. So we about to find out how these actually work out in the basement because I'm not sure if these gonna work on the concrete wall or not. But we about to find out. All right, let's go. All right, so we down here in the basement, aka the home gym. So with these mirror sheets, basically you get the little stickers that you put on the back, just like this, and it should stick. So here's the thing: these walls, I guess you consider them brick. I don't know what you consider these, but I don't know if these gonna work. But these was only $10 on Amazon, so if they don't work, I just lost $10. All right, so I'm gonna put the first one up to see if it stick, and then if this stick, that's a good ass sign. So then I'll continue on putting the rest of these uh, mirror sheets up. All right, so let's just see. Pretty much where I want it is probably like here. All right, and I'm just gonna press that down. I don't know about this. I don't know. I don't know if it feels too secure. So I'm just gonna press this down. I'm stupid. I'm dumb. I'm dumb, yo. I forgot to take the sticker for. I was wondering why this shit wasn't sticking. I didn't take the steely I didn't take the paper off the back of this for it to stick. All right, but I'm glad I didn't do that. I'm glad I messed up because I'm supposed to wipe this wall down anyway. So let me do that. I I'm up here saying, yo, I'm like, this shit don't stick at all. Yeah. It's been a long day. All right. It still might not stick, but we gonna find out. All right. So wipe this off. Now I'm gonna take these, pull this off. Now shit should be a little different. Like I said, I don't know if this gonna work or not, but come on. Hold on, let's see. Take that off to the side. So one sticker. Like I said, even if they don't work, man, they gonna stick better than what I just tried to do, trying to stick paper to the wall. So let's see. All right, I got both these off. All right, now let's try. All right, where do I want it? Let's go for here. Let's try. All right. Now let's. Oh shit. Still feel a little. I don't know about this. I think this wall, this brick wall, whatever the hell this is, concrete wall. I don't know if it's gonna work. I ain't gonna lie. They said press it down, and it's kind of popping. Oh shit. Maybe I should have used more stickers on this. I don't know. Let me see. I mean, it's up there. You know what I'm saying? It's up there. What you think? I don't feel. I mean, it don't feel too bad. All right. Let me put the rest of these up and let's see what happens. All right, so we about 15 minutes later. It took me forever to put these on because you got to take the little stickers off, then take the other end. It was just a long process for me at least. But anyway, so we about 15 minutes later. Check it out. They crooked as hell, but that ain't the point. The point is I got a nice little mirror here. I can see myself when I'm working out. Mainly I'm using this because I like to put my bench over here and do some dumbbell shoulder presses, and now this one affect with me doing stuff over here, right? So just adding a little more, just adding some more mirrors to my little workout area. All right. So far it seems like this is actually gonna hold up. Little shaky, but like everything is staying up. Um, I mean, it seems like it should be cool, and this is a concrete wall. So I was worried about like would this even stick at all, but we're gonna see over time. If one of these bitches fall off or something like that, I'll do a video on it if it do. But it look cool right now. Like it's only $10 on Amazon. Of course, I'll put a link in the description, right? So you can check this out. But so far, so good. Now here it go one more time. Up closer. I gotta clean it, but and what I did too, by the way, there's four strips of there's four stickers on each square. These are four squares. I know at the beginning of this video I only had two stickers behind this top square, so I added the other two stickers. So each one of these squares got four stickers. All right, so you can see mirror, mirror. These are just normal mirrors. You know what I'm saying? Like full blown mirrors. These are, like I said, the pieces, and so far they stand up. So there you have it. Those are the acrylic mirror sheets by Herod Pure. Link in the description. All right, I got a whole bunch more reviews coming, so be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.